Hello everybody, so today I will talk about physics. The topic today is LC. Suppose that the LC circuit that oscillate back and forward between the capacitor and the inductor without charging. The shortest time that the energy of magnetic field in maximum value can be reduced by half is 1.5 multiplied with 10 to the power of minus 4 seconds. What is the shortest time that the electrical charge in the maximum value can be reduced by half? We have A, B, C, D. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We will have three formula. The first formula that is about the energy of magnetic field. That is about 1/2 multiplied with L multiplied with I naught square. So this is the first formula. The second formula that is about Q equals to Q naught multiplied with cosine omega t. Omega is about angular frequency and t is about the time. So the next formula that is about I. I is about first derivative of Q, and you got about minus Q naught omega sine omega t. In here we know that Q naught multiplied with omega, you will got about I naught in here. So in this situation we need to convert the I with the I naught. Because we have the negative in here, we put the negative back to the trigonometry, and we got about cosine omega t plus p/2. So we will use the formula to find the answer in here. We know that the energy of magnetic field in maximum value can be reduced by half. So in this situation we have this formula in here, but they reduced by the half. So it means this one will divide by 2. So because L did not change the value, so we have only I naught divided by square root of number 2. Because if you put the square root number 2 in here, you got about 1/2 outside. That's why we have the square root number 2 in here. So we put I naught over the square root number 2 in this equation. So we change the little I in here is about I naught over the square root number 2. So we have I naught and I naught we simplify, and we got about square root number 2 over 2 equal to cosine this number. Now we know that the shortest time is about 1.5 multiplied with 10 to the power of -2. So we put this number change to t. We calculate about the omega. Because at cosine of square root number 2 over 2, we got about b over 4. And we put this number equals to this one. Now we can find this omega. That is about b over 4 minus to this one divide to this number. You got about minus 5,000 b over 3. Now we will input this formula in this equation. Now the question they ask, what is the shortest time that the electrical charge in the maximum value can be reduced by half? So it's been Q in here, it should be about Q naught divided by 2, and we have this number we put in here. So we find the little t in here. So Q naught we got about 1 over 2 equal to this one. Now we can find the t in here. That's about b over 3 equals to this number. So we find the t in here. And we got about 2 multiplied with 10 power minus 4, and we have the negative. So we can eliminate the negative too. So the answer for the question for this situation, that's about A. That's the end. Thank you for watching.